Good morning, children. Children, today we are having a class of English literature, and in this we are going to study a story about two rats. Before going to the story and all, I want to tell you one thing about rats. Have you observed that rats always keep on slinging their mouth like this, like this, like this? Have you observed that? If you have not observed, then whenever a rat came to your house, usually rats are seen everywhere. So when a rat came, don't just go and touch the rat. Just observe that rat always keeps his mouth blowing like this, like this, like this. Today I'm going to tell you the reason. Children, why the rats always used to keep their mouths wiggling. They used to do this because rats' teeth grow every second, every minute, every hour. So if they will keep their mouth shut, their teeth will grow with such a big. So to avoid this, rats always keep on slitting their mouth so that the teeth should not grow very big. Okay, so this was something a very funny thing about rats which I told you. Now moving to the story. This is lesson number 4, and the name of the chapter is The River Bank. I hope you know the meaning of word river. The meaning of bank here is corner, means corner of the river is called the river bank. Now let's see. In this story there are two rats, and the name of the first rat is Mole, and name of the second rat is Water Rat. Okay, before reading the story from the book, I would like to tell you the story. What happened, children? This mole rat, as you all know, rat live in a burrows. Okay, the rat make houses inside the ground or in the walls and all. So this rat was having a house where he was cleaning the house. Sometimes, children, what happen, we have vacations and all. Your mothers usually, if the mothers are working, then when they have a leave, weekday leave or any festival day leave, what they used to do, they clean their houses, and they ask you people also to help them. The same way, the mole was sitting alone. He was not having any work to do, so he thought of cleaning the house. So while we are cleaning the house, while the rat was cleaning the house, he got tired. He was cleaning, and he got, oh now I'm completely tired with this cleaning. So what did the mole thought? He thought, just I would go out and see the weather outside. So what did he do? What did he do? He went outside the house, and when he went outside, the season going on at that time was spring season. I hope you know that spring is a very beautiful season of the year. It's a time when it is neither too hot, neither too cold. Blossom, flowers, winds, and everything is there. This is a very beautiful season that everybody loves. So when the mole he went outside, he enjoyed the weather outside, and he just moved on, and he reaches to the river bank, means the corner of the river. He saw a big river, and he sat there at the corner. Now what happened when he sat there? What did he observe there? He observed that to the opposite side of the river, means, or you can say in the center of the water, a little creature was trying to see him. He saw a eyes first. He saw a eye first, and he saw that somebody from that side also is watching me. So who was he? He was the water water rat. What is the description of this rat? He is a brown little. He is having a brown little face, small ears, and silky hair. He is the rat which stay in the water. This is the description of the rat which you will read in the chapter also. The white rat looked like this. So what happened? The mole rat was looking the white rat from this side, and the white rat was looking him from that side. So now what happened? Now this white rat told mole, dear, what are you doing here? So mole said, nothing, I'm not doing anything, I'm just sitting here and enjoying this weather. So water rat said, why don't you come to my place, and we can enjoy and we can spend some time together. So mole said that this is full water, river contains of water. How can I reach there? So white rat said, you don't worry about that. If you want to come, I'll send a boat. So he sent the boat for the mole, in which the mole rat sat and came to the water rat. Now what happened? They both sit together. Then water rat asked mole that how are you? Obviously, when we go to somebody's house, what is the first question that a particular person asks? How are you? How is your family? How is everything at home? Is everything okay? These are the common questions that we also ask when somebody comes to our house, and when we go to somebody's place, the other person also asks these basic questions. So mole said, dear, everything is fine. So water rat afterwards, after asking this question, he said to him that did you like the weather and all here? Did you like the place? So do you know how is the weather and all is there in the river? So moles, what did the mole rat said? Mole rat said, dear white rat, I am not aware of anything in this river area. I am new to this place. I have never been there. I have seen the river for the first time. Okay, you have never seen. What white rat was shocked. You have never seen. But white rat was a very intelligent person, and mole was a very curious person. Curious means, children, that the one who is always interested in in knowing something or the other, means he is very, if anybody sees a new thing, he is always willing to get the information of that particular thing. That kind of person was mole. He was a very curious person. And white rat was a very friendly type of rat. He is always he want to be happy, he want to make others happy, he want to tell other people everything about what he is having and all. So he is a very joyful person. So what happened now? White rat said, okay, dear mole, if you have time, means if you don't have any important work to be done, if you are free for the day, you can we both can have a round to the river, and I'll show you different things, what are there in the river, different animals I can show you. So mole said, okay, I'm not doing anything special today, so we can do this. We can go and have a round to the river. And water rat said that, and one thing more, don't worry about the food and all, because I have enough food at my place. I'll take the food in my boat, and we'll roam around, we'll talk, we'll enjoy the weather, we'll enjoy the place, we'll eat something, and it's going to be a kind of picnic for us. So mole was again very excited. Okay, we are going to do this. So what happened? Mole and water rat, both of them sat in the boat, and they moved towards, take a round of the river area to see what is all there. Each and everything, children, I'll discuss when we'll read the chapter. Now what happened when they took a round to the river area, and when they came back, now as I told you in the starting only, that mole was a curious person, means he want to know more. Now he has got enough and more information about the river area. Now what did he ask water rat? Mole rat asked water rat, ki, dear, we have seen the river area. Now please let me know that after river what is there, means what is there after river. So white rat said, dear mole, after river there is a wild wood. Now children, what is the meaning of word wild wood here? The meaning of word wild wood is, there is a place where big and huge animals live, like horses, big elephants, lions, foxes. All these animals live in this area, means forest area. So mole said, dear water rat, why can't we go there and have a look? We'll enjoy there also. So water rat said, no, we cannot go there. They are very big and giant animals. What if we are so small? What if they'll kill us and they will eat us? So we are not going to go there. We will sit here. We'll enjoy it here only. Okay. Then mole said, okay, then we'll not go. If you are saying like this, then we'll not go. Then I want to ask you one question. Mole asks white rat, water rat, and I want to ask one more question to you. Okay, water rat said, okay, tell me, I'll answer your question. So he said, mole said that this is the river area. After river is the wild wood. Now please tell me, what is after wild wood? So water rat said that, dear mole, after wild wood there is wild world. What is there? Wide world. Wide means big, world means the whole area. Now what is there in the water rat said to mole, dear, please don't discuss about this wild bird. Why? Because this is a place where animals and human beings live together. Okay, they are trying to spend their lives taking each other's help and staying together, and this wide means this big world is not meant for us. They all are very big, and they all will kill us and eat us. So let us enjoy in the place where we are in our small world. Please, mole, be happy in our small world. Don't think and discuss about this wide world. This place is not meant for us. You just have a food here, enjoy here, then you go to your home. Then we both will go to our respected homes, and we will enjoy and stay happily there. So Mole said, okay. Mole said, okay, thank you for the wonderful day. You make me know new things, and I'll never forget this day. Children, what did we learn from this story is that Mole was sitting cleaning his house. He went to the river. He meet water rats. Then after meeting water rats, he both of them went for a picnic. Then after in the boat, after roaming around for the whole day, Mole asked about wildwood and wide world. And at the end, water rat told Mole that dear, please be satisfied and be happy in the place where you are. Don't try to go everywhere, because some things, some places are not meant for everyone. We are small, we are little. Let us be happy in this place. So children, this was a summary of the poem. I hope this will give you an idea. This was a summary of the story. I hope this will give you an idea about the story, and you will understand what the story is. If you have any doubt, you please clear the doubt with me. Okay? Thank you.